I'm so terrible at that. G'day guys, my name's Tom Arnel, and I'm from Tom&Serg, and I'm going to teach you how to make the best acai bowl you can possibly make. So guys, what we're going to need is some frozen acai pulp, some banana, the frozen blackberries, and then we're going to put a little bit of this fresh almond milk in there, and then we are going to mix it. Using a spoon, just get a desired bowl, fresh banana, cacao nibs of course, the chia seeds, the toasted seeds, the granola, some fresh berries, some fresh blueberries to finish it off. And that is my best acai bowl.